Hello, and welcome to my channel. It's been a while since I uploaded, but in that time I've been working on this little guy here. This is the Wltoys A969, and I've recently taken it apart and rebuilt it with this metal parts kit. This is a pretty nice RC for anyone who doesn't want to spend a lot of money, but still wants to get into hobby grade RC cars. I got it from Banggood for around $85, and I got the upgraded metal parts kit for $40. You can see here this thing is going to be really fun to mess around with. I was thinking I should use some of the cardboard that is laying around my studio to make a nice little ramp for it. And honestly, I don't know why this servo doesn't work well. The only way to turn is to do this little spin and hope it ends up pointing the way I want it to go. Anyways, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please leave a like, and if you want more content like this, hit that subscribe button.